Unpackaging of the drone. I wonder how it flies in the snow. Look, it's snowed outside. Whoa! One of the rare snowstorms.
Daddy, the tree is naked.
Oh yeah, the tree. Yep, they lost their leaves, huh?
It's not naked now.
Oh yeah.
Even the kid wants extra propellers.
Extra propellers.
Yeah, because look.
Well, they must have known that you closed your bird in the door, knocked the wings off of your bird. Remember that?
Yeah.
The had a hummingbird wind chime, and right after it was bought by put it in the door, and the door closed and right on it. Whoa! Look at that remote control. This thing is huge.
I'm driving too.
What?
I'm driving too. Look, even there's a camera on here.
And there's a camera!
These things are
Awesome!
for the cameras.
It says aerial video, aerial photos, auto launch, 3 selectable speeds,
Daddy, can you picture it?
360 degrees, flips and bank turns, controller included.
Daddy, picture it.
We will be on the,
Daddy,
I
can you
don't know,
picture
what do you call that?
Picture this.
Picture? I'm taking a video. I'm taking a video of it, buddy.
Where's the drone? Hey, where's
What's the government department that regulates the Federal Airways?
Whoa.
The FTA maybe? We'll be on the FTA's radar pretty soon with this thing. Careful where you're snipping. It's got a little snipper there. Yeah, let me see. How you get it out, you know? Here, is there a little cord? Oh, that thing? Oh, here, there's got to be a way to get it off. Let me see. Try over here. I think you snip these off. Yeah. Snip, snip. Snip, snip. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. Just gotta get one, and then it comes loose. Look at your fingers. Boom. Got it? I think. Do you have a hidden candy stash somewhere?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Daddy.
Why? You finished it all?
Daddy, I have my teacher name is Miss Bonnie.
Miss Bonnie, what'd she do?
I don't know.
Oh, you got a girl in your class you like, Liz?
Adrena.
Adrena?
Yeah.
Well, what do you like her? She nice to you?
Look, has a girlfriend.
Really?
Oh.
Is it a girlfriend?
No.
Maybe?
No.
Did you ask her if she wants to marry you? No?
Where do you put the battery?
I don't know. Maybe you have to read the instructions.
Ow, 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 ow.
Huh? Maybe it has to charge first. Okay, I wouldn't just start pulling on stuff. You might break it before you ever get a chance to use it.
Comes off.
Yeah, well, you might not want to just start pulling on stuff. You might break it.
There's the battery.
Is that the battery? A little
Yes.
thing? Well, let's read the instructions. I think we have to read the instructions for this. Wow. That is a really small battery.
No, look, this is the battery.
How does that power the thing into flight?
Look.
Man, that means I just need a battery about the size of me to put me into flight. Huh? You know how to connect it? Let's see. I'm sure there's instructions somewhere on how to charge this. What's in my pocket?
Here's the instructions.
Oh, they charge the Georgia sales tax. That's funny.
Whoa! Whoa! What?
Oh, it says $100 is the original price. My dad probably used Macy's bucks to get it down.
Does your dad have a drone?
No, he bought this for you, for Isaac.
Me too.
Yeah, you too.
Can I have both of us?
It says, let's
Both
see.
of us?
Yeah, it says, ready to fly with an onboard camera for aerial video and still photography. The Axis 2 camera is as capable as they come. It's built for rock solid control, but not for running into rocks. What was that noise? You got a little duck back there. You guys, is there ice duck out there?
It said quack quack.
And then rock solid control that translates to unparalleled precision maneuvers, including bank turns in 360 degrees, flips in all 4 directions. An onboard altitude sensor makes Axis 2 easy to fly with auto launch, hover, and land functionality. Plus with built-in 6-axis gyro. Gyro? It's fully toss and launch capable. The reliable 2.4 gigahertz transmitter provides clear wide area reception. It's equipped with 2 gigabyte memory card and a USB card ready for easy direct uploads or downloads. So test your limits or fly right past them.
Where's the remote?
This drone's also equipped with 500 rocket launchers, fully equipped to disarm any Iraqi or their size army. All in the hands of a little 6-year-old boy. Packs a lot of power and punch. You got it? I think you need to figure out how to charge it first, buddy.
Where's the remote?
The box includes drone with camera, remote, USB card reader, USB cable charger, 1 drone battery, instruction manual, spare parts like blades and screwdriver. The features: camera resolution 480 pixels, video it will record for 50 minutes, photo stores 100,000 images, 2 gigabytes memory included. It's its own computer with wings or propellers. Auto launch, hover and land with altitude sensor. 6-axis motion sensitive auto stabilizers. Maneuvers up, down, forward, backwards, right, left, and side to side, and travels through time. Bank turns and 4-way 360 degree flips. With these bank turns, you can deposit and withdraw all at the same time. 3 selectable speeds, crash resistant materials, plastic, check. Measures 12.75 inches long, including the blade guards. Recharges through provided USB cord. 2.4 gigabyte remote. Remote requires 4 AA batteries, not included.
Ready, look.
Good thing we got some, we got AA batteries, plenty of them. We got rechargeable ones, so that's good.
Yeah, it's lighting up.
That's how
Oh, say does that star-spangled drone-led wave. Let's call this drone the Paul Revere. Or
Axis 2 RC drone with camera.
you choose. I like Paul.
Paul.
Alright,
Isaac.
we need to put batteries in the remote. You know how to get the batteries in the remote?
No, you need to unscrew.
Does it come with a screw?
Yeah.
It's screwed in?
Yeah.
Get a screwdriver?
Yeah.
You gotta be real careful. Alright, we're gonna sign off.